Hi, my name is Crystal. I am one of the co-founders of Bumblechutes. I'm going to explain a little bit today about our hydrating wood serum. And this is really great for after you've cleaned our board. So the first thing you want to do is clean your board. Start off with a nice clean surface. We do have a cutting board care kit also, so please check that out. And you'd want to start with that first. But once you've done that, you're going to want to take our hydrating wood serum. Our wood serum is made with fractionated coconut oil. It also has zinc oxide in it, which is going to give your board protection from the UV rays that are coming through, as well as really hydrate the wood from the inside out and really get into those fibers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shake the hydrating wood serum. And by doing that, you're kind of dispersing some of the zinc oxide that's in the wood serum. And you're going to want to be pretty generous with it. You're going to want to put it on your board. And the first few times you do this, you're going to find that it's actually going to soak in pretty fast. You're going to have to do it frequently. But after a few takes, you're going to see that it's going to naturally need less and soak in less. And where you cut into the board, you're going to notice that that actually is going to be the area that's going to be the driest. So you're going to want to do circular motions. And you can already see that this board is pretty new and it's sucking up all of the serum. And once you put it on your board, you can take a look at the board here. You're going to see that it's going to start to sit in. Typically, we like to do 30 to 50 minutes to let it soak in. And preferably what I do is at nighttime, I clean my board, I prep it for the next day, and then that way when I wake up the next morning, it's ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us by email or phone number. Thanks for watching.